Assalamualaikum everyone. Do you need for WorkUpJob clone? I'm already implement this one for Laravel already file clone. See this work.laravel. Do link this link comment description below if you want to link. So link description below. So I'll already implement for similar function. This one for home page and already implement. You can for registration page and already complete. See this one for registration and this one for registration, this one for registration and this one for logging. This one for seller parent Upwork job, WorkUpJob. Also this one for ad section, you can for ad advertisement. So first this one for verified user for identity passport and for driving license and for date of birth certificate. So this one already shows, just you can ID number and information upload and submit, automatically your account is verified. And this one for find a job for you can everyday daily tasks for us. You can see this for daily tasks and also for full video watch and subscriber and like, also for send already complete this work. This one for already completed. So already for all summary for information there, you can just for type the summary, and I think it's for full video watching and then subscribe, this option maybe. So if you are interested, so link this you can work for proof information and also skin 2 image screenshot and submit, automatically your balance is at. So you interested for report anyone report submitted. Okay, this one for post option, you can easily for post. So this one for first we can select for country name, example Bangladesh. This one for Bangladesh, Bangladesh international, Asia, Australia, Africa, lots of there. You can see this. I am already select Bangladesh and select next. And this one for need for Facebook invite, Gmail account, for all there you can information, YouTube subscriber, all information there. Just I am for Facebook example select, and also select for this one for picture, like, follow, join group, subcategory, and next for step 1 job title, and for step 1 information add, you can add for step 1, step 2, step 3, lots of file you can add easily. So you can thumbnail image add, and next and payment submitted, example 1 2 3, just next is not there, maybe full description. So I think any problem, next, and for price fix it, for your job and tasks, everyday daily tasks you can select it, daily task list showing, and also my job list, all work list are there. So notification, for all notification information there. Deposit, already deposit submitted and manually deposit, you can for payment add for your currency. So example $100 add, automatically for price showing BDT, and payment you can Bikash, Rocket, Nagod and Visa Mastercard. And we saw manually for deposit, you can manually pay, pioneer manually pay and then submit, automatically for add for your balance. Transaction history, this one for transaction history, only any transaction you can just for there you can available, you can just transaction. And this one for advertisement, go to for advertisement here for title, for description, also link, this one for link, and budget 1 day for $1, 3 day for $3, 7 day for $7, and select for your image, this one for size, so submitted. And also for this one for ticket, example you can any problem facing, just you can go to ticket option and you can just ticket it. And this one for earning pay, every day you can 10 time use for this one, just click this one and automatically rotate. See this one 1 cent 0 cent 0 cent earning, 0 cent earning. So daily you can 10 time flip this. So right now overall this one for information, you need for this file similar, so link description below, you can contact me. Link price is this one for price $499, but $599, don't worry. And for remove this $499. And for WhatsApp my number, you can just for contact WhatsApp, and for implement similar script. So any question you can comment box below. And obviously my subscribe my channel. Hopefully like my video, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you watching this video.